Prenatal testing is a crucial and indispensable part of every pregnancy. Every pregnant woman needs to have prenatal testing done. But what is it exactly? It's a series of different tests which aim to monitor your baby's development, evaluate your own maternal health as the mother, and to assess for any possible pregnancy complications. The first trimester of pregnancy is from conception to week 13 of pregnancy. Here, routine prenatal tests include the pregnancy test, of course, to confirm the pregnancy, a simple blood test, a urine test to check for any urinary tract infection, as well as an ultrasound to measure your baby and to determine his or her age of gestation or AOG. Non-routine tests in the first trimester include a cell-free DNA test and chorionic villus sampling. These are specialized tests used to find out if your baby is more likely to have certain conditions caused by chromosomal or DNA problems, such as Down syndrome. The first trimester is extremely important in the baby's development because the baby's vital organs and structures are formed in this period. This process is called organogenesis. The second trimester of pregnancy is from week 14 to week 27. Here, the baby's different body parts become more apparent, including his or her genitalia. Routine tests in the second trimester include a urine test, a fetal heart rate monitoring, which can be done either via ultrasound or a simple device called a tachometer. A glucose challenge screening is also done. A quad screen is a blood test that measures the level of four substances in the mother's blood so as to determine the risk of the baby developing certain developmental abnormalities. It is also in the second trimester when a congenital anomaly scan or CAS is done. A CAS is a special kind of ultrasound where the baby's body is thoroughly examined for any defects. The baby's sex usually also is determined between 18 to 22 weeks. Non-routine tests in the second trimester include an amniocentesis, where a sample of the amniotic fluid, which is the fluid surrounding the baby, is obtained to check for any problems with the fluid such as infection. A glucose tolerance test may also be performed in the second trimester to assess the mother for a condition called gestational diabetes, which is a special kind of diabetes present among the pregnant population. The third trimester, the last trimester of pregnancy, is from weeks 28 until the baby is delivered. Routine tests in the third trimester include again a simple urine test, fetal heart rate monitoring, a test for Group B strep. Group B strep is a very common pathogen in the pregnant woman's genitalia, which is why it is also tested here, and the baby kick count. Additionally, non-stress test, a contraction stress test, and biophysical scoring, which are specialized tests, are also performed, all of which are performed via ultrasound. The important take home here is that a pregnant woman must faithfully and regularly visit her OB/GYN or her uh, general physician or even her midwife so that she is regularly checked and monitored along her pregnancy journey.